Welcome to PetroExams.com. In this section, we will learn how we can prepare for Piping QC Inspector exam at PetroExams.com, which is currently providing all the content for free. PetroExams is the best site when it comes to preparing for your Aramco CBT exams. So let us go ahead and see what it offers. So the first thing it offers is we have a question bank where we can try out different questions and answer them, and the system is going to tell us whether the question, whether the answer is correct or not. So for example, for this particular question, if we will select the option, the system will let us know if it's a correct answer, and it will also let us know the answer explanation in regards to the standard. Similarly, so if we take a look at this another question that we have got, and we got a correct answer, so the system is going to tell us the reference and the section for that particular question. In case if we get the question wrong, the system is going to tell us the correct answer and notify us that we got the wrong answer. So we can prepare for a lot of questions as much as we can to prepare for the actual exams. Now, piping, for the Piping QC Inspector, PetroExams also offers a readable content, which includes a lot of notes and a lot of questions that will help you theoretically to understand and prepare for your exam. So it contains a huge list of information that you would require to prepare for your exams, as you can see here. All of this information is available for free. Next up, we can take a look at, there are plenty of other books that you can read. Now, we will get to the exams and results part, and this is the most important part where the exam simulator comes in. See, in the actual Aramco exam, which is taken by Pearson VUE, and it is an official exam conducted by Aramco for CBT Inspector Qualification exam, there are lots of exams that you can give under the Aramco, including project inspector tests. A lot of these exams preparation is covered by PetroExams. If you can go to the course section, you will find almost all of the QC inspector welding, QC inspector coating, QC inspector, and much more. So the idea is that in the real Aramco CBT exam, you will be shown an interface where you have to select certain questions, which will be multiple choice. You can go to next and previous questions. You can flag questions for a review. You can see the time remaining for your questions and much more. All of these things accurately are reflected in PetroExam Simulator, and this is the beauty of PetroExam Simulator. So let us go back and go to the course preparation for the Piping QC Inspector and go ahead and click on Start Exam Simulator. Now you will see that just like a real exam, it's a mock exam, but it really gives you an idea whether you will be doing good in the exams or not. It just gives you a familiarity with the structure. It has got 40 questions and you have got 40 minutes. So let's go ahead and start the exam. And as you can see here, this is the first question. So we can go ahead and make a selection for this particular question. So we can switch next, just like we would do in our actual exam, and we went to the second question, and we can do the same. We can, just like real life, real exam, we can flag questions for a review. So for example, we have flagged question number 3. Let us flag this question number 6 as well, and let's answer question number 7, and we can move on and on. All right, so here we can see the time remaining. It's a 40 minutes exam, so we have got plenty of time left. And here we can review all the questions just like in real life, in real exam. So we can see how many questions we got, how many questions are completed, how many questions are incompleted, and how many questions are flagged. So if we just want to view the flag questions, we can click on Review Flag, for example. And now the system is showing the question number 3, if you remember, which we flagged. And now it's showing directly question number 6, which we flagged. So these are the only 2 questions which we have flagged. So now we're starting from the beginning. All right, now we can go to review questions and we can click on review all. And now we can again review all the questions in sequence. Perfect. Let us answer some of the questions and leave some questions blank. Let us answer 14. And now if you go to review question and review incomplete, you will realize that after 15, we will get, a 13th question because the 14th one we already answered. So now we are only seeing incomplete questions. So the system actually reflects what you will be experiencing in real life, and it helps you prepare for the exam under the given circumstances. So now we can take a look. Now let us go ahead and end the review and see the result. And here we got a message that of course we have to improve because we got a lot of questions wrong. Actually, we got some questions right, and the system is going to tell us whether I answered the question correctly or not. So I got plenty of wrong answers, somewhat incomplete, and I was able to answer a few of them correctly. So this way, you can fully prepare for any qualification CBT exam at Aramco, as well as for BCAS, C-SWIP, and many other exams. The PetroExams not just offers only, it just does not offers only the question bank and exam results. Here you can see the exam results. I have got I have done a lot of tries, so it's showing me each time I made a try and how many questions did I get it wrong or right. It has got notes and it has got question banks. Now, it also have a lot of free resources. Let's say for welders, we have got welding codes and plenty of other information. You can take a look. The PetroExams also offers you a job. Let us go ahead and find some jobs related to the piping. And we have got a piping QC inspector job, this one for example. And you can of course apply for this piping job once you are CBT approved. So PetroExams all in all is a one-stop solution for QC and QA inspectors working in the Middle East. It offers a wide range of courses, jobs, and course content for you to become successful in your career. Have a nice day.